We thought that everything in the world is beautiful. Green mountains and beautiful waters, blue sky and green land. In recent years, with the rapid economic development, environmental pollution has become a problem affecting social development. Solving the environmental problems caused by the rapid economic development has become a major national strategic decision. How to promote the sustainable development of mankind while protecting the environment. The treatment of air pollution and organic waste is imminent. Mingshuo Environment Technology Group Company Limited, which actively responds to the new situation of national environmental protection, was established in Weifeng City, Shandong Province in 2004. Mingshuo adheres to the spirit of integrity, innovation, and win-win situation, taking the removal of hydrogen sulfide and high-value utilization of organic waste as the starting point. It has gradually developed into a national high-tech enterprise including the R&D, consulting, design, manufacturing, construction, and operation. After years of development, Mingshuo has honed the business philosophy of harmony and win-win, realized the sustainable development of enterprises, society, and the environment by using natural resources. Mingshuo has an intelligent and professional production line and imports international advanced testing equipment. One-stop purchasing and integrated service makes Mingshuo products not only serve the Belt and Road strategy, but also exported to overseas countries. Mingshuo Ecological Building adopts a garden-style building design, incorporates ecological energy-saving and environmental protection technology, provides a healthy and comfortable office for Mingshuo team, and provides a model for customers and the society to learn from. Mingshuo takes providing customers with professional energy and environmental solution as its mission, insists on creating value for customers, tailoring suitable products and professional services for customers, and achieving a win-win situation with customers. Mingshuo products are divided into 3 series: desulfurizer and desulfurization equipment, biogas equipment, titanium, nickel, and other pressure vessel equipment. Desulfurizers and desulfurization equipment are mainly used for the treatment of sulfur-containing gases in users such as biogas, natural gas, petroleum-associated gas, shale gas, fertilizers, coking, steel plants, petroleum refining, and pharmaceuticals. Biogas equipment is mainly used for the treatment of organic wastes such as livestock manure, kitchen waste, organic waste, straw, sewage to realize their high-value utilization and turn waste into treasure. After treatment by biogas equipment, organic waste is turned into biogas, biogas residue, and biogas slurry. Biogas can be used to generate electricity, heating, and supply to the households, as well as to purify into natural gas. Biogas residue and slurry can be used as organic fertilizer. Titanium, nickel, and other pressure vessel equipment are mainly used in petroleum refining, pharmaceuticals, fertilizers, seawater desalination, and chemical industries. With the unremitting efforts of Mingshuo research team, the new chelated iron-based wet desulfurization developed by Mingshuo is the first to realize the modular production of desulfurization skid-mounted in China. Mingshuo chelated iron-based wet desulfurization technology is a method of wet oxidation. During the removal of hydrogen sulfide, the iron-based nutrient solution acts as a catalyst. It is characterized by directly converting hydrogen sulfide into elemental sulfur. Chelated iron-based desulfurization process is a new, simple technology with high working sulfur capacity but no secondary pollution. It has overcome the disadvantages of traditional desulfurization process, such as low sulfur capacity, complicated desulfurization process, high rate of secondary salt generation, and serious environmental pollution, etc. Under normal process conditions, the desulfurization efficiency can reach up to 99.99%. It reached the international advanced level. Since entering the environmental protection industry, Mingshuo always adheres to the development road of standard, professional, and complete set. We have professional construction qualifications for environmental engineering. D-type pressure vessel manufacturing qualifications is the Weifeng City Enterprise Technology Center. Desulfurization and Denitration Engineering Laboratory, Biogas Equipment Engineering Technology Research Center, also in cooperation with the scientific research institutes such as the Institute of Biology, Chinese Academy of Sciences, Tsinghua University, Beijing University of Chemical Technology, China University of Petroleum, Shandong University, Shandong University of Science and Technology, and other scientific research institutes to conduct scientific research and development. The R&D team of Mingshuo Group takes smart innovation as its mission. With their unremitting efforts, Mingshuo has obtained more than 50 patents and participated in the formulation of national desulfurization standards. It has independent import and export rights and won the titles of China Green Environmental Protection Products, Professional, Special, and New in Shandong Province. The chairman of the group won the honorary titles of Annual Person of Shandong Circular Economy. Mingshuo Group has promoted green reforms with its leading technology and has played an important role in energy conservation, environmental protection, and new energy development. Products have served domestic companies such as Sinopec, PetroChina, COFCO, China Shipbuilding Industry Corporation, China Energy Construction, Beijing Drainage Group, Infor Environment, Huadian Group, Weichai Group, and lots of foreign companies in the United States, Japan, Malaysia, the Philippines, and other countries along the Belt and Road, providing them with a full set of system services. Mingshuo Group is committed to the development of environmental undertakings, always adhering to the development concept of cherish the limited and create the infinite, and go hand in hand with you to create a better future.